Good evening, everyone. And I am Borj Dumasog,
I am Cal David Kabisan.
and we're choose topic number one, the international as a units conversion for SI base unit prefixes. And SI unit is belong to the International System Unit SI as interpreted to modified for use to the United States by the Secretary of the Commerce through the National Institute of the Standard and Technology may be used in trade and commerce, procurement, grants, and other business-related activity, and in educational information and as guidance in publication to increase understanding of the metric system. This is inch and pound units.
Unit based upon an inch, pounds, and gallon were historic derived from the English systems. Subsequently, were refined multiples of SI units in US. Law beginning in 1893, for example, inch defined as base length corresponding to 2.4 centimeter exactly, and the gallon is defined the volume corresponding to 3.78 55.412 liter. In other words, in pound and inch pound units are based on SI units and multiple or division is used to convert unit from one system to another.
Next, we have example inch pound units. An example of measurement in an inch pound units would be torque, which is commonly measured in each pound, AN and LB. This unit is used to be express the amount of force applied when turning a wrench or a bolt. For instance, if you're tightening a bolt and the torque required is 50 inch pound, it means you need to apply a force equivalent to 50 pounds at the distance of 1 inch from the center of the rotation. This unit is often used in mechanical engineering and automotive application. Preferred SI metric units. The SI units preferred for use are the units together their multiples and submultiples.
The SI is constructed from the seven units which are indicated to describe most of the measurement in science, industry, and commerce.
This is the seven base unit of SI. We have length, mass, type, electric current, thermodynamics, temperature, amount of substance, and luminosity. This is a unit name: meter, kilogram, second, ampere, Kelvin, mole, and symbols M, K, J, S, capital A, capital K, mole, and SD.
Okay.
Busing, bus.
Okay na. Stay in the call. Okay.
And we have the length. This is the SI base unit, the 7. And next is the length. Length.
Meter.
Length is the symbol is meter, and a 1 km is equivalent to 1,000 meter, 1 meter equivalent to 100 centimeter, 1 mile equivalent to 1.609 km, and 1 mile is equivalent to 580 feet. 3 feet equivalent to 1 yard, and 12 inches is equivalent to 1 feet, and
One.
1 inch equivalent to 2.54 cm. This is the length conversion. This is the, ikaw, basa.
2.7 kilometer to
Meter.
meter. So, i-times na siya.
Di, mo nang isi part kisa kani o kani. I-times na nimo if mag km to meter ka times if mag meter to km division. And mo ang formula and mo ang formula. For example, 2.7 km equals 1. If mag cancel na nato ni ang duwa, di ba sa topic ni Sir Last mas conversion cancel out ang km or kag ga cross multiply yun 2.7 times 100 1,000 die I mean to 1,700 meter mo na siya guys. 346
Meter.
meter ko to km divide na siya mo na easy ko din mangita og formula if mag-formula ka more same process as this cancel out ang meter mo na siya guys 0.346 km dali na to and mass kj
1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 gram.
and this is the example guys if mo nang easy part if kj to grams is times 1,000 if grams to kg divide 1,000 for 0.8 kg to gram is 4.8 times 1,000 kay mo nang easy part 4,800 grams mo ni ang if di mangitag formula if mangitag formula kay mo ni 4.8 kilogram over 1 times 1,000 grams cross multiply cancel the kj and times multiply and 480 4,800 and same as this to 54 grams to kg divide this is the easy part if mangitag formula you can use this if mangitag formula you can use this 254 kg over 1 times 1 kg over
1,000 gram.
equals to
zero point two five four kilogram
Guys, and this is the time as 1 minute
is
equal
equal
to
to
1 minute is equal to 60
second,
seconds,
1 hour is equal to 60
60
minutes,
minutes,
24
24
hours is
hours
equal to
equals
one
1 day,
day,
and
1 year is equal to 365 days.
is guys. This is a time conversion example. 8 minutes to second. 8 minutes same as the other example. 8 minutes over 1 times 60 seconds. Ang 1 minute na siya 60 seconds. Minute to minute. Yung cancel out ang minute. Ang
Basta
minute.
timanhan na to, ang
Ang cancel
60
out.
second is
What?
equal to 1 minute.
Basta guys, ang cancel out again to i-times na 8 times 60. 480 seconds. Then ang 5 minutes to second guys is 5 minutes over 1 times 60 seconds. Say magyapon minute para ma-cancel out ang minute, we need to put this in our mind para ma-cancel out, mag-cross. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 5 times 60 equals 300
360
seconds.
300 seconds.
And 180 seconds to minute. 180 seconds. We need to cancel out seconds. We need to put seconds. In a 1 minute, we have 60 seconds. To cancel out seconds. 180 divided by 60, we have 3 minutes. Same as this. For 60 seconds to minutes, for 60 minutes, we need to cancel out the seconds. In 1 minute, we have 60 seconds. We need to cancel out, cancel out. For 60 divided 60 equals 7
7.67
minutes. That is the time conversion example. We need to like the current. Current is an ampere and the symbol is A capital. We have the velocity, acceleration, force, area, volume, pressure. This is the what's called this man? Diversion.
diversion.
Dili. Diversion.
Di-
Kanang derivation formula para makuha nimo ni sila. Na kani nanay
Velocity.
kani nani derivation na nila. Pakita na mo guys ang derivation. This is the derivation of velocity. Velocity equals to displacement over time, and displacement unit of displacement is meter and unit of time is second. Mong emanani ni guys, meter over second. Kay unit sa displacement kay meter, unit sa time is second. Sa acceleration is a change of velocity kay triangle guys, ang tawag na change of velocity. And kay guys, change of time, ang change of velocity pila kay velocity meter over second. Mo ni guys ibutang, di ba ang unit sa velocity mo ni siya itong nakuha. Di ang unit sa time kay second, di ba gikan diri mo ni ibutang nato and divide equals to meter per second squared, and we have the force. Force is the mass acceleration.
Mass.
Sakto, mass acceleration ng MA. Ang force, ang unit sa force guys, ano yun ang force? Ang unit sa force kay Newton. Ang Newton is equivalent to mass.
Ay,
Sakto. Mass times acceleration. Ang mass, di ba, unit sa mass kay kj. Ang unit sa acceleration kay atong nakuha. M over S squared. Mana siya guys. Mana timanan. And the area. In the area is we have area of a rectangle, we have lift and weight and height. But in the area, we have two. Lift and weight. And lift and weight, we can use the unit meter. And this both, we can use meter, and meter times meter equal to
meter squared.
meter squared. That's right. The volume area of the rectangle of the volume is
Okay.
lift, weight, height. And these three we can use we can use it into meter, and meter times meter, meter times meter times meter, and equals to
Meter.
cubic
meter.
Yes guys, and these three guys is in chemistry. We cannot use this, but we need to put this to para mabalaan lang ninyo. Ang 1 cubic meter equivalent to 1,000
liter.
and
1 liter is equivalent to 1,000 milliliter. 1 cubic centimeter is equal to 1 milliliter.
And mo na guys ang volume, di manera guys ha. And ang pressure. Pressure is equivalent to force over acceleration. I know, force over area. 'Di ba ang force guys, ang unit form niya kay ang Newton. And the unit form of the area that we calculate this is
M squared.
M squared. That's right. And this 1 PA is called Pascal. 1 Pascal is equivalent to 1 Newton and M squared. Mana guys, teman ni guys. And now we're gonna go in the temperature. Temperature is Kelvin, and this is the symbol K, capital K. And if you wanna find the Kelvin temperature, we need to plus the Celsius temperature plus 273.15. And if we need to find Fahrenheit temperature, we need to plus Celsius temperature to 1.8 plus 32. That's it. And quantity in a one
Mole.
dozen or one sa kadosina pila gani?
12
Yang
pieces.
1 mole pila
6.02 times 10
to the
to
power.
the power of 23.
That's it, guys. And we need the luminous intensity or CD or candela. 1.464 times 10 to the negative 3 na guys sa watts and SR at 55 and may mo na ang kanya guys murag units ganyan. If mangita po siya lag isotropic, pwede man nimo gamiton dai kaning lumens 12.566 man na guys. And SI prefixes. And SI design and
Designation of multiples and this subdivision of any units may be arrived at by combining with the name of units the prefix deka, hecto, and kilo, meaning perspective 10, 100, and 1000, and DC century and milli, meaning respectively 1, 10, 10, 100, 1000.
and this is the table of the prefixes, and we have here the multiplication factors and prefix name and the prefix symbol. You need to familiarize this prefix name: tera, giga, mega, kilo, hecto, deca, deci, centi, milli, micro, nano, pico, and the prefix symbol: capital T, capital G, capital M, small letter K, H, D, A, D for deca, and D for deci. Di mo malimutan guys ang deca positive and deci negative. C for centi, M for milli, and U for micro. And not U day guys, it's basta pataas na U guys. For example, makita na nyo guys, and pico for P. And next, we have the example of the kilometer. Kilometer, kilo means 10.3 because here, kilo is written in 10 to the power of 3. No guys, that they delete the point, 10 to the power of 3 today guys. Andre, kilo means 10 to the power of 3, just like this, kilo, and meter. Yeah, guys, you can use any kind of unit if you want, but we use meter. Um, 10 times 10 times 10, it equals to 1,000. Guys, if you're not able to know the prefixes table or you're not introduced by the table, you can use this in the below in 1 km is equivalent to 1,000 meter. That's it guys for the kilo. And for the centimeter in the table, centi means 10
10,
point negative
10 to the
2.
power
10,
10,
no, 10,
10
sorry guys, 10 to the power of
negative
negative
2.
2 centi. That's why it says here centi. And you can, if you want this to be positive, we need to bring down the centi. That unit is 10 to the power of negative 2 and 1 and to the power of negative 2, that centimeter. And 10 times 10 is equals to
100.
yes guys, that's right. And 1 centimeter equivalent to, guys, just remember, you can call this centi because this is the multiplication factor. May right be? Yeah, sakto. Multiplication factor
10
ni
to the
ang
power
10
of
point
negative 2.
ay 10 to the power of negative 2 multiplication factors ni sa centi ha. Kung pwede siya matawag ni mo centimeter per year ning gi kanang gi multiplication factor bro. Ang kani siya kay symbol unit name ba? Prefix name. Sorry. Pwede mo magamit 1 cm is equivalent to 10 to the power of negative 2 meter. And if you can use this in the below, that 10 times 10, 100. 100 centimeter equivalent to 1 meter. Pareha na guys. Pwede mo malibog. Ang third example guys kay isang third example. Dili naman pa. Ang third example guys kay ang milli. Ang milli here is milli. We need to find milli. Milli negative.
Negative 3.
Yes. 10 ang milli guys kay 10 to the power of negative 3. We need to, if you it's negative, we need to bring down. If we bring down the 10 to the negative 3, it makes to the 10 to the power of 3 because we bring down and we need to use fraction if we need to be positive. 10 times 10 times 10 is equals to
1000.
that's right. And if just like the other example guys, 1 millimeter, you know that 10 point negative 3 is milli, and you can combine into meter, it's called millimeter. But you can use 1000 millimeter if you're not familiar for these prefixes or multiplication factor or name of prefixes. Di ka familiar ana, pwede ka ma-use aning kaning times ni mo 10 times 10 times 10, pwede ka use ana. For example, 1000 millimeter should equivalent to 1 meter. Nan. Guys, mo ni ang kuan guys ah. Pwede mo malibog akong ikuan ninyo para makakuan mo, na may knowledge. 10 to the power of 6 meter is 10 to the power of 6 meter is 10 to the power of 6 mega. Mega.
Megameter.
It's called 1 mega
Megameter.
meter and 10 to the power negative 6 is called
Mi-
micro.
Micro.
1
Micro. Muna siya yung
micrometer.
symbol.
Morning symbol guys. Sorry, wala nang na-edit. Morning symbol ha. And so on guys, when you're kani guys kaning dire guys kaning 10 kaning 10 10 10 na gini sa table guys kani sila guys kani you're nang i-familiarize guys. Ang kaning 2 times 10 to the power of 2 meter kay guys pwede na nyo na walaon guys kanang i-set aside ang inyong ipangitawan kaning 10 to the power of 2 di ba ang 10 to the power of 2 ganing pila gani 10 to the power of 2 kay hecto. So ang hecto guys hectometer na siya guys, di ba? Ang symbols niya kay H. Sakto, H.
H. Hectometer.
Mm.
2 hectometer.
Dua man, so dua po yung butang. It's common sense na lang. 2 hectometer. Just for this, I remember that 10 to the power 3 is kilo.
Kilo.
And 2 times kilometer is equivalent to 2 kilometer. And guys, that's it guys. Thank you for watching and you just need to study. Bye, guys. Okay na, boss.
Talaga ba, Borge?
Asaan eh?
Uy, Kyle, i-chat si Ate Cherry na ako.
Hmm.
Makasin ba daw? Kinulang ba? Kay.